Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the internet browser on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So this is rather easy. So I got the home screen here. Let's press the PlayStation button. And then we want to go over to GameBase right here and select this. Now we need to message a friend. So I'm going to go over to the messages right here. And then I have this friend called search-browser. This is just another account I made. You can search for this account, but you can just type in bing.com. So let's go to a message and type in bing.com. I don't believe google.com works at all, but Bing does, and you can go to google.com from here. So let's select Bing right here and open this up. And then here is the internet browser. So you can type in a website from here on out. So let's go to Bing, search the web, and go to n4g.com. Now, there is no URL at the top. It just says bing.com and it's locked. And you won't be able to enter a website in from there at all. So we can select a website through a search engine and then go to it. So I like this gaming website right here. I can scroll on down and you can see everything on here. And it works okay. I mean, it's a little bit slow. A lot of times I like to just use my LG TV and I'll bring up the multi-view. And I'll launch the website on my LG TV versus my PS5 Pro. But you can do a bunch of different things down here. If you press options, you can zoom in using R3, L3. So press all this button down here, press options. Then we've got zoom, magnify. We can go to 110, 120, 150, go back to 100%. Now you can pin it to the side too if you want over here. If you're trying to watch like a YouTube video or something while you're playing at the same time, you could do that as well. So if you want to bring up YouTube over here, just go to youtube.com in Bing. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.